The Sonic Alert Sonic Shaker Portable Alarm Clock with Built-in Vibrator, SBP 100. The SBP 100 features an extra bright 3/4 inch display that folds flat to protect your time and alarm settings when placed under your pillow or mattress. Easy to set time and alarm controls are located on the top of the display. This portable alarm clock has a built-in vibrator and a loud 90 decibel pulsating buzzer. The mode switch located on the left side of the alarm sets the alarm to activate with vibrator, buzzer, or both. The alarm on-off switch is located on the right side of the clock. The snooze button located on the front of the alarm provides you with 4 minutes of snooze time and can be reactivated for up to 1 hour from the original alarm setting. The SBP 100 has a manually lit display that increases battery life by up to 50%. The alarm is powered by 2 AA batteries and 1 AAA battery and are included. The test button located on the top of the alarm clock allows you to easily test the vibrator, buzzer, and battery condition. This portable alarm clock is equipped with a pillow strap that allows you to secure the vibrating alarm to your pillow. The Sonic Shaker can also be placed under your mattress. Included with this portable alarm is a convenient travel case that protects your Sonic Shaker when traveling.